This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jackie Feagin. Discover timeless elegance and modern comfort in this beautiful home. Well maintained by the owner. It features an open floor plan, a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, and a luxurious primary suite with a spa-like bath on the entry level. Enjoy the serene outdoor patio and lush landscaping. Top-tier amenities, including a pool, trails, and social clubhouse. This home offers an exceptional lifestyle near Virginia Beach's best shopping, dining, and medical facilities. Schedule your private tour today. September 5, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Jackie Feagin at 757-535-4451.